What if you're cruising down the gravel road or a trail and you're in third, fourth, fifth gear and you need to come to a stop? Can you do that and still stay in that third, fourth, fifth gear? Well, yeah, you can. It's not a problem. The problem is when you go to start again, if you leave it in that high gear, it's going to be really hard to get going because you need to get up to a certain speed to match the RPM. So let's say you're in first gear, you only need to go about 5 miles an hour so that you can let the clutch all the way out. But if you're in third or fourth gear, you may need to get to 20 miles an hour to get to an RPM high enough so that the engine won't stall. So this causes you to use a lot more clutch and it's a lot easier to stall. It's just harder on the clutch, the engine puts more wear and tear into it, and it's just harder. So what do if you're in a high gear and you come to a stop? Well, you can either shut the engine off and shift it down, not worrying about the clutch. Otherwise, if you want to keep it in gear, or if you want to keep the engine running, then you can just keep the clutch pulled in and then just tap down one gear at a time. Sometimes rocking the bike back and forth can help get it into that next gear down. So then you just keep shifting it down until you feel the shift lever being firm and it won't click anymore. Then you're probably in first gear. And if you just slowly let the clutch out and the bike's still moving, then it's in gear.
And if you want more tips on proper shift timing, I encourage you to check out this video here. Does this make sense to you? Let me know in the comments below. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.